Yoga is more than movement. It is more than breath, more than postures held in silent grace. It is a philosophy, a lifestyle, a bridge between the human and the divine. Rooted in the ancient wisdom of India, yoga is a system that leads us back to ourselves, layer by layer, breath by breath. As dawn breaks across the earth and golden light filters through the trees, the body awakens not just from sleep, but from forgetfulness. Yoga reminds us of the sacredness of this very moment. It begins in silence, in awareness, in the pause before the first conscious breath. That breath is a doorway. It is the moment the outside world softens and the inner world expands. A yogi steps onto the mat not to conquer the body, but to listen to it. Each posture is a conversation. The spine speaks in curves, the limbs speak in reach and balance. The body, once agitated by life's relentless push and pull, begins to surrender to rhythm. With every inhale, we invite in life. With every exhale, we release what no longer serves us. Yoga is the science of harmony. It balances strength with flexibility, action with stillness, effort with surrender. In standing tall like a mountain, the practitioner roots to the earth while rising to the heavens. In bending like a tree in the wind, we learn resilience, fluidity, and grace. Even in motion, the yogi remains still inside, observing without judgment, breathing with awareness. The practice deepens with Surya Namaskar, the salutation to the sun. It is a dance of devotion, a flowing ritual of gratitude. Each movement is synchronized with breath, like waves meeting the shore. The sequence warms the body, but more than that, it illuminates the spirit. It is a sacred offering to the energy that sustains all life. Beyond the physical, yoga ventures into the realm of breath, pranayama. Here, we discover that breath is not just oxygen. It is prana, life force, the subtle river flowing through the channels of the body. Through disciplined breathing, we regulate our mind, emotions, and inner chemistry. With closed eyes and an open heart, we sit still and become witness to our own existence. Stillness leads to meditation, dhyan. In this practice, thought waves settle, and the consciousness sinks into silence. Meditation is not an escape from reality but a deeper immersion into truth. It reveals the illusion of separation, of identity, of time. In this space, there is no past or future, only presence, only being.